My name is Joselyn Sanders and I am class of 2025. Being that it's my last fall semester as a student, after all of the stress of classes and extracurriculars and just having a busy schedule, it's really nice to just relax with my friends and do fun things like make cookies and decorate our tree and just kind of enjoy each other's company before we go on winter break and just soak up all the time that we have together. I like to go to the Farmville tree lighting and the Rotunda tree lighting because it's so Christmassy and everyone comes and it's so fun. I think it's really cool to attend traditions that have been around for a long time because not only do you know what they're talking about when you meet alum and they talk about all these fun traditions, but you got to witness it yourself. And you get to be a part of continuing the traditions. As a senior, if I could go back and tell my younger self anything, it would be to soak up all the traditions that Longwood has to offer. It's actually a sense of community and you have so much fun with your friends and you get to know a different part of Longwood. It's very bittersweet doing all these traditions for my last time as an undergraduate student at Longwood, but I'm happy because I know that these traditions are going to continue.